Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Deshpande. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about a topic from numerical integration. Here we will solve a numerical of double integral using trapezoidal method. The question is, evaluate the given integral using trapezoidal rule. Take h equal to 0.5 and k equal to 0.5 with the function as integration 1 to 2 integration 1 to 2 dx dy upon x plus y. The question was asked for university examination for 6 marks. So let us see what is your function. I will be equal to, let me write it as integration y0 to yn and x0 to xn 1 upon x plus y dx dy. Now why here we have taken here as x0 and xn, because first differentiation is of dx, means these will be the limits of x, and first these two will be limits of y. So if you see what is your given function, f of x comma y will be equal to 1 upon x plus y. Now what is your value of x0? x0 will be equal to 1, xn will be equal to 2, y0 will be equal to 1 and yn will be equal to 2. Now h and k values have been given, so I will write it as the spacing between y is k. So it is denoted by k. K will be equal to 0.5. Similarly, the spacing between x is h, which will be equal to 0.5. So let me create a table so that we will apply a formula to find it out here, trapezoidal rule. Now let's see, I will again take here a row. So this will be your first line. Let me draw this first and then we will solve. This will be your second. Third. So here we will be writing x values and here we will be writing y values. So let me write it as here. Here we will be writing x values, here we will be writing y values. So what is first x0? x0, it starts from 1, so let me write it as a 1. How to find it out? x1, it will be equal to x0 plus h, which is equal to 1 plus 0.5, which will be equal to 1.5. And similarly, x2 will be equal to x1 plus h. x1 is 1.5, h is 0.5. So here you will get this as a 2. So let me write first y0. What is the value of y0? It is 1. So first what we will do, we will find it out f of x0 comma y0. What is your given function? Given function is 1 upon x plus y, that is x equal to x0 and y equal to y0. So if you solve this 1 upon 1 plus 1, you will get this answer as a 0.5. So let me keep this value in a box. Next will be equal to what? F of x will be equal to x1, y will be equal to y0. So if you put it in a function x1 plus y0, so you will get answer as 1 upon 1.5 plus 1, which will be equal to 0.4. Next is f of x2 comma y0, which will be equal to 1 upon, function is 1 upon x plus y, so it will be 1 upon x2 plus y0. So if you substitute value, x2 is 2 and y0 will be 1, so you will get this answer as 0.3333. Let me keep this answer in a box. So this is the y0 equal to 1. Next will be equal to what? y1 will be equal to y0 plus k. So here you will get that value as 1.5. So here what it will be? Here it will be x equal to x0 and y equal to y1. So your function will be 1 upon x0 plus y1. x0 is nothing but your 1, so 1 plus 1.5. So if you do it, you will get this answer as a 0.4. Here you will get f of x1 comma y1. So given function will be 1 upon x1 plus y1. So it will be 1 upon 1.5 plus 1.5, which will be equal to 0.3333. Let me give here this symbol. Then after that, this value will be f of, if you see here, x equal to x2, y equal to y1. So f of x2 comma y1, it will be equal to, your function will be 1 upon x2 plus y1. So after substituting value, you will get 1 upon 2 plus 1.5, which will be equal to 0.28571. Okay, so let me extend this. If it is possible, let me extend. Yes, it is possible. So I am going to extend this so that we will be able to write all the values within a table. This is also going to extend, and let me draw again one horizontal line so that table will be completed. So this is your first thing which will be completed here. First you can say row, then this will be a second row which is completed. Okay, so let me draw it up to this. Now we will solve for this third one. Okay, so if you see, initially it was y0 equal to 1, y1 was y0 plus k, and what is your value of y2? y2 will be equal to y1 plus k, so it will become 2. 1.5 plus 0.5, it will become 2. So this element will be what? It will be of f of x0 comma y2, which will be equal to 1 upon x0 plus y2, which is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2. The answer will be 0.3333. So keep it within a box. After that, if you see here, next will be what? X equal to here x1 and y equal to y2. So let me write f of x1 comma y2 will be equal to 1 upon x1 plus y2. So what is the value of x1? It is 1.5 plus 2. So the answer will be 0.28571. And similarly here, x equal to x2 you have to put, y equal to y2 you have to put. So it will be 1 upon x2 plus y2. So x2 is 2, y2 is 2. So you will get answer as 0.25. Keep this in a box. So this is what is the table that we have prepared. And based on this table, now we have to find it out by using trapezoidal rule. So first we will write a formula for trapezoidal rule. What is the formula? In previous video we discussed about this. It will be equal to hk upon 4 into bracket sum of terms within box plus 2 into sum of terms indicated by arrow plus 4 into middle term from table. So this will be a formula. Now what we will do, let me first change the color. And here if you see now, these values are kept in a box, means all corner elements we have to do sum of this, all corner elements, okay. Then indicated by arrow means which value? This value, answer of this, answer of this, answer of this element, and answer of this element, and this will be your middle term or middle value from the table. So in other words, if you see a table, I can write this formula as hk by 4 into bracket sum of the terms within box, means it will be what? F of x0 comma y0 plus f of x2 comma y0 plus f of x0 comma y2 plus f of x2 comma y2 plus 2 into sum of the terms indicated by arrow. So it will be what? F of x1 comma y0 plus f of x0 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y1 plus f of x1 comma y2 and plus 4 into middle term which is present in a table, which will be f of x1 comma y1. Now we know all these values, so we will substitute all these values from the table. H and k is 0.5, so 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 4 into bracket 0.5 plus 0.3333 plus 0.3333 plus 0.25 plus 2 into 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.28571 plus 0.28571 plus 4 into middle term. So it will be what? 0.3333. So if you solve it with the help of calculator, you will be able to write answer for this as, this is your function dx dy upon x plus y. So it will be equal to, if you put all the values in a calculator, you will get answer as 0.34329. So this will be a solution of trapezoidal rule for double integral. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask any questions. Thank you.